Today, you don't see anybody much on the beach. 3 days of lockdown. Thankfully, by God's grace, since I live close to the beach, in 2 minutes I can walk across. And I've been doing this during the lockdown since March this year. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes when you get this kind of days where you have time for yourself, sometimes people think of rest. It's important to think about the rest, how to rest yourself. Rest and stress. And if you are very much a person under stress, you need a rest. But sometimes we don't know how to rest. It's just not sleeping 24 hours of the day is not rest. You need sleep, definitely. That's an important thing. But that's not rest. Even meditation, sometimes people think meditation is rest. No. If the meditation is all around you and it's about me determination, then the meditation is futile. For some people's meditation is all about me determination. There is no rest. Reading newspapers, watching television also will not give you much rest. But one other thing which I have learned very well by coming to the beach, connected to the 4 elements of the nature and begin to think with that. The earth, the soil, make sure that your bare feet touch the soil and begin to think with the soil, the solidness of the soil. If your feet begin to feel the hardness or the softness of the soil, you begin to think with it. Then you experience the wind, the blowing, refreshing you, touching your body. Begin to think with the wind, the way the wind is blowing. And thirdly, you begin to feel the warmth of the sun. You don't have to expose yourself to the sun, but still you can, like me, here, I'm exposed to the sun a little bit now, but I'm not really under the sun. You can feel the warmth of the sun, and you can think with the sun. And then you can feel the water, drinking the water, touching the water, quenching your thirst, feeling the freshness of water. You begin to think with the water. So in the nature, you are synchronizing with the nature. You are harmonizing with the nature. You are timing with the nature. By these 4 elements, the earth, the wind, the warmth of the sun, and the water. And you begin to think not about, but think with. If you can think with the wind, if you can think with the soil, if you can think with the water, if you can think with the warmth of the sun, you can have a rest. And that rest is something enormous. And I'm telling you out of my own experience, a daily basis, in the morning, when I come to the beach, spend about 1.5 hours, and I synchronize myself with the 4 elements of the nature, and I begin to think with them, and it brings so much of rest, energy, refreshments. Find your place. And I have the beach, but I'm sure that every one of you can find how you could expose yourself to the nature and to these 4 elements, the wind, the sun, the earth, and the water. Do that, you can overcome the stress and rest very well.